So I think my fellow speakers have, set the scene with regards to the energy transition and the need for the continent to be part of that and to be able to meaningfully develop in order, to sustain ourselves and be able to be part of the transition. Um, we all are very much aware of Africa's role and Africa's mineral resource abundance. So the continent contains a lot of these critical or strategic minerals that we've had for many decades and for many generations, but we haven't really been able to meaningfully use them in order to develop our communities, in order to fully develop the continent. And this situation can remain the same or be different with the ongoing or the transition that is underway. Sorry. But so now I think the real question would be what's going to make this different? What is different this time? My fellow speaker spoke a lot about renewable energy and also the abundance that we have. The difference this time around is that Africa contains both the minerals that are critical in the energy transition as well as the abundance of the renewable energy resources that we also have. So this presents us with opportunities to be able to beneficiate, to be able to now be able to use these minerals and add value within the continent and then either use those domestically or for export. And some of these opportunities lie within developing the value chains for these technologies within the continent. Some of the minerals that we have, for instance, the lithium that we contain in the continent, the platinum that we have, the cobalt, these are key minerals that are used in rechargeable batteries. These are key minerals that are used in fuel cells. These are key minerals that are also used in the production of green hydrogen, as my fellow speaker has touched on. I'm hopefully not going to be telling a story, as he has alluded to. But I mean, the continent has very high potential of being able to be a leading or a global player, in the context of the technologies that are required for the energy transition. But the solutions lie within creating these value chains within the continent. There is a very high potential for the production of green hydrogen within the continent. South Africa already produces not green hydrogen, grey hydrogen, through the Sasol Fischer-Tropsch technology that is already available, and that can very much be retrofitted to produce green hydrogen, and those are the tests that are ongoing in order to be able to do that. And the competitive advantage is that we also have parts, to be able to export this green hydrogen elsewhere. And quite importantly is that the energy transition or the global transition will not be able to take place without the ability to produce green hydrogen competitively. Because green hydrogen is the key element of being able to decarbonize other sectors that are hard to abate, like the agricultural sector, through the production of ammonia, as well as the aviation sector through the production of power fuels, the chemical sector. So there's so much potential that lies within the production of green hydrogen, and Africa has the resources as well as the potential to produce it. I think the missing element that has also been touched on, is financing these projects. But I think there are opportunities of being able to mobilize finances domestically in order to finance some of these projects and not heavily rely on external financial sources. So with that, I think the next speaker may touch on finances, as that is their expertise. With that in mind, I would like to congratulate Charles and the team for the launch, and I'm looking forward to working with you and engaging with everyone. Thank you.